Hi, my name is Mubarak Al-Ammari. I'm coming from Saudi Arabia. I heard a lot about the clinic here, and I've seen the result with the other clients. Very satisfying and lots of happy faces, I would say. And that's why I took the decision to go ahead and to do the hair transplant. Very good people, excellent food, even though I love spicy food, but spicy food doesn't like me. The space is good and it's very organized, very professional people. Yes, I am very excited and I'm looking forward to look 10 years younger. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, finally, I'm so excited to get it over with. You know, I've been waiting for this moment for so long. We have postponed for several reasons. The time has come, and again, I'm very excited to do it. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys.